How to use our Ultimate Savings Challenge bundle. This bundle includes 5 saving challenges: our $5, $10, $20 challenge, 100 envelope challenge, and 52 weeks challenge. For our $5, $10, or $20 challenge, simply fill in the envelope icon with a marker each time you save a $5, $10, or $20 bill and place your cash inside the envelope. For our 100 envelope challenge, simply save the amount of money that matches the number on the envelope icon. For example, the envelope labeled 3, you save $3. For our 52-week challenge, simply determine how much you would like to save each week for the next 52 weeks or 1 year. Let's say your goal is $50 each week. Simply fill in the jar icon each time you meet your goal. Our saving challenge trackers are reusable, and permanent marker can be removed with an alcohol wipe or acetone. Start saving today with our Ultimate Savings Bundle.